Hi Glomates! Gla here, back on the channel, and whether you're new or regular viewer, I'm so happy that you're here. In today's video, it's Gla Compare SWOT episode tayo ngayon. Let's compare Coach Nolita 15 versus Coach Nolita 19. So which one is better? Let's find out later, but before we get into it, please don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an episode. Okay, disclaimer Glomates, we're gonna talk about the similarities at the same time yung differences ng dalawang bag na to, but I will not include yung materials and hardwares because dapat kasi same lang sila na, like for example, pebbled leather or coated canvas, but this one kasi magkaiba sila ng leather and magkaiba sila ng hardware. Gusto ko sana na coated canvas na 15 and coated canvas na 19. However, ito lang yung meron ako. So, wag nating isama yung mga components na yon, more on the size at yung features and how it looks. Okay? Alright, so let's start with this tags na lang muna, okay? So again, this one is the 15, yung smaller version, and ito kasi yung meron ako is coated canvas. If you're looking for an in-depth review, meron ako, i-check nyo na lang siya Glomates, as well as ito, meron din akong review nito, okay? This one is 15, this one is 19. This is coated canvas, the black and white signature, and then gold hardware. This one naman is pebbled leather, but in silver hardware, okay? Silver, gold hardware, coated canvas, and then pebbled leather. In terms of comparable value or suggested retail price, the Nolita 19 is 188 USD, while itong Nolita 15 is 158 USD. And Canadian naman, 230 Canadian dollars itong Nolita 19, and then 190 Canadian dollars naman itong 15. So yun yung difference niya in terms of price. Tapos, this one is made in the Philippines, this one is made in Cambodia. Okay? So again, hindi ibig sabihin na made in Philippines, fake na, okay? Or made in Vietnam. Doon lang talaga sila nagmamanufacture kung saan sila makakatipid. But it doesn't mean, again, na fake siya. Now, in Philippine peso, again, it varies. It depends on the store promotion. It depends also sa like kung sea cargo or air cargo. Okay? So, this one kasi nakuha ko siya ng 5,500 if I'm not mistaken. And this one is 4,500. So, less siya na 1,000. Itong mas maliit. But then again, may mga nakikita akong mas mahal dun sa sinabi kong price kasi it depends on the store promotion. And depende rin siguro sa style kasi this one is coated canvas, this one is leather. Mas mahal definitely yung leather. Okay? Alright, let's begin. So, ito yung size niya or ito yung itsura niya, Glomates. Close up. Ayan. And then, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung size difference niya later, and then at the back, yan, and then side again. Alright, so definitely mas maliit yung Nolita 19, Nolita 15, ano ba na pagbabaliktad ko, Nolita 15 and Nolita 19. So mas malaki yung Nolita 19. Okay, in terms of measurements, alright, so yung length nito is 7.5 inches, but this one, the 15 is 6 inches. So talagang mas mahaba po yung Nolita 19. And in terms of height naman, the Nolita 19 is 4.5 inches. Ito naman ay 4 inches. Konti lang yung difference in terms of height. Yan, 0.5 inches lang. And then sa width naman, this one is 2 inches. Ito is 1.5 inches. So, konti lang din yung difference. Ang ano lang, yung drastic lang yung difference is yung length. Because this is 7.5, this is 6 inches. Now, in terms of strap drop, ito kasi is 4.5 75 inches. 4.75 inches. Ito naman is 6.25. Stand corrected dun sa review ko nito. Nasabi ko ata is 6.5 but 6.25. But then again, approximate measurements, it varies naman like 0.5 to 1 inch. Take note of that, Glummates. Okay? So, yun yung pinaka main difference ng mga bag na to. Next would be in terms of features. Parehas sila na may floating design dyan. Horse carriage, Coach New York, same as this. Yan. And then parehas na no slip pocket, no metallic feet. Parehas na merong strap, and this one is detachable. You can use it as a clasp. Parehas din sila. You can detach this and you can use it as a clutch as well. There you go. And dito, meron din hole dito. I'm thinking na pwedeng ilagay. Although, mahihirapan pala. Yeah, kasi iniisip ko na ilagay para matago kapag ginamit na clutch but hindi kaya. But the good thing is that you can use it as a clutch if you don't want to use it as a shoulder bag or a catch-all pouch. And take note, ito, pwede to na shoulder bag. Ito, hindi. Hindi kaya hanggang sa crook ng arm, hanggang sa wrist ng arm. But both, you can use it as a clutch or as a wristlet or a catch-all pouch. Now, inside, okay, before inside pala, so yan po, meron siyang extended leather and D-rings. Parehas sila. Ayan. Parehas din na may leather pole and metal pole. Tapos inside, this 19, meron siyang slip pocket dito and then 2 card slots plus the main compartment. While this 15, wala. Walang slip pocket but meron siyang 2 card slots. Okay? Magkaiba rin sila ng interior. This one is like oxblood and this one is like a milk tea color. So that's it. Yun yung similarities and difference niya in terms of features. Now, what fits, yung difference nila, yung mga pwede nyong ilagay inside, yung phone, pwede po dito sa Nolita 19. Yan, kasha yung mga big phone sa Nolita 19. But dito sa 15, no talaga, hindi talaga. Kasha din po ang bifold, trifold wallet, parehas, but mag-occupy ng space sa Nolita 15. So, no talaga. Dito, perfect siya for bifold, trifold. Pero, purse, coin purse, small purse, yes, pwede naman. Long wallet, parehas na hindi kasha. Okay? But, plus points kasi, tawag dito, kasha yung phone dito sa Nolita 19. Both bags, you can put here sa crook ng arm. This is how it looks. Yan. Okay? I hope nakikita niyo, guys. There you go. You can also put here sa wrist mo. Yan. Ang cute lang nung 15, no? And then, as a shoulder bag, yan, sa Nolita 15. Ito naman, as a shoulder bag, no, hindi kaya. Kasha, kaya, pero hindi kinaya. Yan. Front view, and then side view. Hindi talaga. This one, side view, mas okay yung 19 as a shoulder bag. So, there you go. Now, Glau, which one is better? Honestly, both bags are cute if you're into small bags. Sabi ko nga sa mga review ko dito, magugustuhan nyo. But, kung mamimili ako, honestly, I'll go with this Nolita 19. Why? Practicality as well as the functionality. Konti lang yung price difference niya from the 15. And then, kasha dito yung big phones. Kasha yung mobile phone ko dito. Mas marami akong mailalagay. But, if gusto mo ng matchy-matchy with your mini-me, with your daughter, mas maganda na kunin niyo sila pareho para matchy-matchy kayo. And you can use both bags naman as a catch-all pouch and as well as wristlet. Pero kung mamimili lang ako, yun yung question, I'll go with the Nolita 19. So yeah, that's it, Glummates. I hope you find this video helpful. Nag-enjoy kayo. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you want more comparison video, comment below. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on future episode. Glummates, your support means the world to me. Until next time, stay awesome, be gladsome, and keep chasing those dreams. Bye!